This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, well, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, well, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Alright, so in case you haven't figured out, if this little light of yours has been on for a while, you shouldn't keep letting it shine. So if this is you, I suggest you swing by Dalton's Midway, one of our 2 locations, just to give her a check out. So, if you are in Clearview, Snohomish, give us a call at 360-668-7111. If you're in the Marysville or surrounding area, please give us a call at 360-386-8571. We'll look forward to seeing you soon, and hopefully that little light of yours won't be bothering you anymore. Thanks!